Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, y'all, so we are about to clean up this house. It's not too bad, you know, it's not that bad. However, it's freaking icky. Like, icky is dusty. It needs to be dusted. It needs to be mopped. Cabinets need to be wiped down. Like underneath the floor. Like what the hell is that? Look at this. Like, what is that? You see that? You see that pink? Like, yeah, like, so come on, let's get into it.
This is the weed speed.
All right, so my daughters, they came and helped the mama out. So they did the living room. Yuri is sweeping. Zani is wiping down the chairs. And then mommy's going to, I'm going to go and mop the living room.
Okay. No, I'm going to mop the living room.
You gonna mop the living room?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So I am done. Dun 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 dun
I'm up to this place.
And my daughters helped me. They're so good to me.
We did the list.
They did the rest for me.
We did the list. Me too.
They did the rest. My babies, twinning them. But they not twins, but they be twinning. Alright, y'all. So we finna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as we enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying